Hi and welcome. I know that some of you had problems understanding the things which I explained in the basic Blofeld tutorials, but now that I have a better simulator, I thought that it would be a good idea to try to explain certain things which are a bit complicated again in a different manner. So welcome to LFO Revisited. In this first video I want to show you the basic operations of the Blofeld LFOs. So let's have a look on the Blofeld simulator. I'm starting with an LFO, of course. So this is your signal. And let's start with the speed configuration. So the lowest speed you can set is actually, let me change range. It's more or less 0.01 Hertz. And the fastest you can get is 500 Hertz. So this is the speed range of the LFOs. And now you have an option which is called phase. This is only active if free phase is deactivated. So when you have a fixed phase, the LFO always starts with this phase position. Then you have different shapes for your LFOs. You have a sine shape, a triangle shape, a square shape, which means that it jumps from up to down. I can also start the simulation if this is a bit complicated for you. So I'm showing also the current value marker. Here I'm playing the simulation. As you can see, the value jumps down and then immediately up and then again down. There is also a type which is called sawtooth. And the last two shapes are called random, which is a random value generator, and a sample and hold. Now let me explain what the global option means. It decides whether you have one LFO, number one, for all voices, or just one LFO1 for each voice separately. So let's say that you have the fixed phase option. And let's choose a sine wave in this case, like this, and I'm going to reset the simulation. Okay. So the global option is off, and this means that when you press a key, it will always start again with the 0 position. Again and again. This works also with the free phase, but in this case, with every keystroke With every note you play, a new phase will be selected randomly. When the global mode is on, this will not happen. So when the LFO is running and you press a key, it will not be resetted. This is what global means. And sync means that you are selecting the speed of the LFO dependent on the speed of the MIDI clock. And actually there is a bug in the Blofeld, which means that the LFOs do not really synchronize to an external clock, but to an internal clock. You can select the speed in different values which are corresponding to the notes or note length relatively to the BPM. If you are working with quantized notes, you can select the fixed phase option with a resynchronization with every keystroke as a workaround for this problem. Or you're just working with the internal clock. So these are the basic options in the LFO section of your synthesis engine. In the next video, I want to talk more about synchronization. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and a comment. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.